Want to enable or disable incognito mode on YouTube for iPhone? Here's how. Open the YouTube app by tapping on its icon, navigate to the bottom right corner, and tap on the profile icon. This gives you access to your account settings. Under your channel name, swipe left to go through the options. Locate the Turn on Incognito option. Tap the Turn on Incognito option. You'll see a message or icon indicating that incognito mode is active at the bottom of the screen. In this mode, your search and watch history are not saved. Now, to disable this mode, while in the YouTube app, look at the bottom right corner. Tap the U tab once more. Select the Turn off Incognito option. This will sign you back into your account with your usual email ID. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the features of YouTube Incognito Mode on your iPhone. Subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.